Welcome back everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can find ASCII value of a character in C language. So before I start, let me tell you what is ASCII value of a character. So the ASCII value of a character is basically a different type of representation of characters in integer number. Let's suppose A is a character and we want to represent the character A using some integer. So that integer number is called the ASCII value of A. So now we can start. If you want to know more about what is ASCII value, you can just go to your Google search and type there and you can know more about it. Alright, so let us now move on to the mobile screen. Well, so this is the online ID I am using to code in my mobile. So first of all, as simple as that, we need to start with #include stdio.h. We have included our header file. Next, we declare main function. Then inside the main function, we have to take one character variable. Let us take char c. C is the variable name here. Then what we do, we will ask user to give a character input. So we have to write this printf, enter a character. So the user will input a character and then we will store the character into this variable which we have declared, character variable c. So we have to write scanf, c. So it will just store the user input to the variable c. Next, what we have to do, we have to print the ASCII value of that character. So we will simply write printf and the ASCII value of the character c is the value of ASCII value. So what we write, we have to write here the ASCII value of the character %c, which is the character variable c, and the ASCII value is %d, means the corresponding integer value associated with that variable. So we have to print in this style. Next, as the program has ended successfully, so we will write a return statement which is return 0 in this. Well, so that's all about the code. Let us now run the code. Okay, so I think I have made some mistake here. I need to put % after the scanf statement. Inside the scanf statement, we need to write %c. Okay, so now the code is correct. Enter a character. Let's write g. The ASCII value of the character g is 103, small letter g. Okay, so let us run again and with some another, let's say a. So the ASCII value of small letter a is 97. So as simple as that. This is how we can do. Let us write capital A. The capital A is 65. So as you can see, the ASCII value of small a and the character capital A is different. So now we are done. So let us now put a comment here in this code. This is a C programming code to find the ASCII value of some character. This is basically a good programming practice to write comment that what is doing in this function, what we are going to do. This makes sense and this makes the program more readable basically. I hope you understand all about this, whichever I have shown in this video. Basically, let me tell you, this video is a part of my C++ playlist. You can just explore the all other videos in the playlist. I will give you the link in the description box, and also I will give you the code in the description box. You can see a link which will refer you to the code, the source code of this particular topic. Thank you so much for watching till now. If you find this video helpful, please write me in the comment section that this video is helpful. so that I will be inspired to make more some videos like this. So as of now, goodbye. See you in the next video.